Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Page. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to log in to the Government Employee Login Portal at nfc.usda.gov. This portal is an essential resource for federal employees to access payroll, benefits, and other essential services provided by the National Finance Center. Let's dive in and walk through the login process step by step. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter nfc.usda.gov/epp/eplugin.aspx into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. On the website that opens, type your user ID here. Type your password here. Check this verification box and click on the login button. If you do not remember your password, click here. And that's it. Logging into the Government Employee Login Portal at nfc.usda.gov is simple and secure. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to the NFC support team for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.